Assalamu alaikum my habibis and my habibis. It's CrimsonSizo the first, and it's time to play Peter Parker and Miles Morales, is it not? Spider-Man 2. I'm very excited. I know I'm a little bit late because the game released like a week ago, and yeah, but I didn't have the chance yet to play this. So let's just jump into it, and I'm really excited. I have played Miles Morales to completion. But Spider-Man 1 I did not play to completion because I can't remember, to be honest. But it doesn't matter. Because we're gonna be Spider-Man and Peter Parker. Yeah, Peter Parker. Alright, let's go. Let's jump into it. Would you like to recap of the events leading up? Yeah, sure.
Hey Pete, I'm working on a college application and it says I gotta tell them about myself.
More like sell yourself. It's the worst.
You got any advice?
Well, take me. Hi, I'm Peter Parker. I'm 25 years old, I have a bachelor's degree in biophysics, and I'm in love with the greatest woman ever.
Oh.
Humble brag.
Who is the best journalist in this city.
Word. Go MJ.
I try to live up to the example set by the other greatest woman ever, my Aunt May.
Humble brag again. Damn.
And a while back I was bitten by a radioactive spider and got superpowers.
I can't put that in my essay.
Hey, I'm laying the track as I drive the train. I've used my powers to help the city and stop a lot of people who wanted to hurt it. Like my mentor, Dr. Otto Octavius. His lab got shut down by an old colleague, Norman Osborn. Otto retaliated by releasing a bioweapon. In the end, I managed to stop Otto, but not without great cost.
That was pretty good. But I'm no Peter Parker.
Exactly. You're Miles Morales. You're 17 years old and a student at Brooklyn Visions Academy. What else?
I guess I help out with my mom's work in Harlem every now and then. She's Councilwoman Rio Morales. And there is a girl I like who's spectacular and inspiring, and I think is one of the best artists in the city. And I also got bitten by a radioactive spider that gave me superpowers. I learned how to be a Spider-Man from the OG. But I learned how to be a hero from my dad. He was killed by Martin Lee in the City Hall bombing. The good I try to do every day is the good my dad planted in me. But it's been hard. Even with superpowers, sometimes we can't save the people we love, no matter how hard we try. A hero is someone who doesn't give up, though. And I don't plan to.
Beautiful.
I don't know, man. I can't talk about me without talking about Spider-Man.
Sure you can. You just have to... Yeah, why don't you just start another draft?
Yeah, I'm really excited for this. Yay. This is my happy face. Spider-Man 2, yes. Let's go, Habibi.
We're ready. Are you good?
Promise me something.
Anything?
If this doesn't work, take me out.
It'll work.
I don't have a lot of time left. I want a chance to say goodbye.
I'm not going to lose you. I will never let you go.
Oh, it's Venom. Oh no. Is he the Venom? Is he Venom? I think he's Venom. I don't know. We shall see. Where's Peter Parker?
have a bell for a reason? Take your seats.
I'm here!
Good morning, class. We have a new teacher joining us today.
Hi. My name's Pete. Mr. Parker. And we are all very lucky today, because this is physics class, and physics is awesome. Ever wonder how some insects and birds, reptiles can just run right across a pond? 2 words. Surface tension.
Bathroom?
Okay. Now, surface tension is all about cohesion. Okay? Now, in equation form, surface tension, gamma, can be calculated as the force exerted parallel to the surface of a liquid, F, divided by the length, L, of the line over which the force acts. Can anybody...
I need your help.
It's Sandman. Is it Sandman?
Mr. Morales, is it? Are you sure this isn't something you can handle yourself?
I'm sure.
Okay, class. Read chapter 4 or 5 or whatever. Miles, I need this job. If the principal comes back and sees I'm gone, I'm gonna get fired.
I know, but you gotta see this.
Ooh, let's make it happen. Yay! Let's go.
Marco, why today? I'm so getting fired.
Principal Evans already hates me for being late this morning.
Bro, I told you to be on time.
It's fine. We'll be back before we know it.
Good, because I had my college application review with the school counselor.
Oh, you finished your essay?
Haven't started.
Oh, well, let's get to the city and take care of Marco quick then.
So far, loving the intro. I'm loving it. I got goosebumps. Oh no! Yay! I'm Peter Parker now. I don't know, but Peter Parker sounds better in British. Peter Parker!
Hey, MJ.
Ah, yeah?
Guys, you might want to get downtown fast.
Oh,
Swing
jump.
into Brooklyn.
Swing.
Jameson had you on the ground for the bugle?
Still can't believe old Triple J is your new boss.
Really loving the new regime.
You'll whip him into shape in no time. So, what's up with Marco? Been years since our
Hello.
last showdown.
According to witnesses, he was running down Broadway yelling nonsense. They say he seemed angry and paranoid, delusional. He just exploded.
Man, hopefully we can calm him down.
I've seen people lose control like this. Be careful.
Good thing there are 2 Spider-Men now.
Good luck.
Thanks, MJ.
Might need the new tech we've been cooking up too.
No way. They're untested.
Yeah, I'm loving
Merely
this.
prototypes.
But you
I'm
brought him,
loving
right?
this.
No comment.
Right. Let's get Marco. Go. I'm loving this. I'm really loving this. The plan was to get this on release, but yeah, a lot of stuff happened. Oh no! Dodge.
You okay?
Yeah, but I think we found him. Marco!
Yeah, it's Sandman. Oops.
Man,
MJ wasn't kidding. We gotta help him before he hurts someone. Or himself.
How do we get to the bad boy?
That arm looks dangerous.
Get it!
He's hungry.
I'm holding it. It's not happening.
Guy a snack. Open wide.
Boom! Dodge. Oh, I'm loving this. I am loving this. Get him, Peter Parker.
What's the plan?
Keep him busy. I got an idea.
Boom!
Oh crap.
I got your nurse.
Still angry after all these years, Marco? You should try yoga. Must be more of a Pilates guy.
That was your idea?
Never said it was a good one. It was supposed to be a normal day. Teach physics, have awkward conversations in the teacher's lounge.
Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Everything's gonna be okay. Spider-Man, think you could sign for this delivery? It's coming in hot.
I'm there.
It's yeah. I'm trying to swing Habibi, but it's not happening.
I got him.
Oh, Peter, get up.
Mini Marcos? I wish I could do that.
Habibi, you're Spider-Man. Get him back. Get him back.
Set Mr. Airstick down. But
Boom.
not before he barked on my suit.
He's not the only one. Sandman just puked out some new friends.
Oh, dodge.
He can do that?
Oh, I love this.
Need you now.
Mr. Parker,
I'm sorry, who's this?
Principal Evans.
Of course, Principal
All students have evacuated their classrooms. Where are you? Mr. Parker!
I just forgot something in my car.
What was that?
Nothing. I'm just.
Oh, nice. L1. Attack and defend, recharge your abilities. Okay.
It worked. I mean, I'm just running back right now.
Get back here and supervise your students, or else.
That does not sound good.
Almost there. How you holding up?
Miles, Principal Evans called.
I'm loving this.
Am I getting expelled?
Hey, you're just cutting class. I abandoned students during a citywide emergency.
Yeah, you're screwed.
Slow down. Marco, we can be friends. It's okay. You'll be Marco, I'll be Polo. That was so bad. I know, I
I
know.
always hated that name.
I know you're angry at me.
This has nothing to do with you. Leave me alone!
I want to help you. But it's gonna hurt first.
Where's Miles?
Guess he wasn't happy to reconnect.
Yeah, he's not really the nostalgic type.
Let me go, or I'll kill you.
Yeah, we're Miles.
Not listening. We
Yeah,
gotta turn it up a
ma.
notch.
Ow!
He hates water. His shoulder's already wet.
Bet he's not a big fan of electricity then either.
Read my mind.
We said boom together.
Felt that all
Yay.
right. We need more water, though.
I'll hit him with webs while I get Sparky.
I'll keep the water flowing in the meantime.
Oh, no, 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 no. Go get him, Miles. Get him, Ma. Get him, Ma.
Want some webs? Made them myself.
He's done. Take your shot. Somebody order some water.
Oh.
Bang!
Kaboom.
get me that easy. Time for Genki to work his magic. Genki, you there? Dude, this is nuts. I know, man. But listen, we need a big water source by Wall Street.
Let me check the grid. Stay safe, dude. You too, Mr. Parker.
Will do. Wait, what? He knows? Genki knows all. Plus, we were super weird in class earlier. Knew I never should have taught at a gifted school. Pull up by bars of sand. Give him today's forecast, Spider-Man. 100% chance of rain. Got it right where we want it.
Electricity bar! They call me lightning.
Guys, the water tank on the Matheson building should do the trick. We're talking 10,000 gallons here.
Got it. Thanks, Genki.
Should have stayed away, spiders.
Still think we got him right where we want him? I admit I may have spoken too soon. And he's definitely getting bigger. Keep climbing. We're so close. The water tank. Spider-Man?
Marco, hello.
I just wanted to live normal, like everyone else.
This isn't the way, Marco.
For a guy like me, there is no other way.
Oh yeah.
This is getting out of hand.
I like Miles more than Peter, to be honest.
Pete,
I don't know
what
why.
happened? I ended up outside. Just keep going up and I'll meet you at the roof. That water tank's our only shot.
Oh man.
Only way is up.
The last one? Oh no. I'm very disorientated there.
Where are you, Pete?
Get back here.
Stay inside!
Okay.
Guess he's busy. Gonna be a long day if we don't get that.
By using... This is your focus bar. By using a full focus bar, fill your focus bar, attack and defend. Okay.
Keep it moving, Miles.
Where do I need to go? Oh, there. You're such a spider. Sorry.
I just wanted to live a life.
You can still have one.
It's too late now.
It's never too late, Habibi. It's never too late. Oh, hello. Finish your devastating attacks that cost. Oh.
Why couldn't Marco just make sandcastles instead? Ma, everything okay? I'm with Pete.
I know. You're on every channel. I'm heading downtown to help coordinate resources and supplies. Is Genki covering for you at school?
He is. But I got this meeting with my counselor later, and the principal thinks
Listen,
that I'm...
I can talk to your principal, but New York needs you right now.
the coolest mom ever.
And please, be careful.
We will.
Te quiero, mi.
Quiero mucho,
Like
you
Miles
too.
said, can't let New York down.
Oh, it's water. Hello there, how are you? How are you, love? Where's Peter Parker? Peter Parker, you're leaving me alone, sunshine? That's not a way to go, eh? Oh, it's a lot. Believe me, it's enough, right? Boom.
for my essay. I get into any college I wanted. Or Spider-Man would. Right. Brainstorm later, Miles. Focus.
Leave me alone. Not even joking. I love this. I love this. Venom punch, Habibi. Venom punch. Dodge. Dodge. Sick. Sick. Awesome. Sick. I love it. Yeah. It's water. Yeah, you died.
Going, Spider-Man! Almost there. The water tank's ours. Actually, it's his now. Hey, sorry. What'd I miss? He's trying to eat me. Let's give him a drink instead. Did we do it? Nope. Pete! Break out the new toys! The suit's last software patch wasn't stable, but here goes nothing!
Oh! You got web wings!
They're flying! But we're not out of this yet! Marco's at Pier 4 Beach! What happens if he gets all that sand? Think he just did!
Oh,
Gonna
yeah.
need you ASAP, Miles! Yeah, I see him all right. I'm right behind you. Miles?
Alright.
Miles!
Oh, yeah, no, 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 no,
What
no,
did I
no,
just
no,
get
no.
myself into? You gotta calm down, Marco! Innocent people are in danger!
We care about them, but not me.
Care about you too,
We
Marco.
listen to Marco.
We
Can't
do.
ignore Sandman.
Marco, we can be friends. It's okay.
Miles! One and only.
I just got goosebumps again. Loving it.
Any ideas? Yeah. Class is back in session.
Yeah, bye. Beautiful world. Yeah, I know.
Class, Marco's storm is generating a lot of electricity! What happens to the surface tension of sand if you turn up the voltage? Oh, you're right. That's when I shocked the mini. A+. You absorb enough energy. I'll shoot it right at him. You want me to get hit by lightning? Can you handle it? There's only one way to find out. How exactly are you gonna redirect a lightning bolt? Like you said, gotta break out the toys.
Ooh, stupid. Yes.
Now or never, Spider-Man. Time to move.
Why won't you just give up?
Because
Go
we
Blinks.
promised to protect this city.
Oh, Peter. Leave Peter alone. The water or gasoline?
We good? We're good.
Sick. Sick, sick, sick. Love it.
I have sand everywhere.
Bye, Marco.
Marco, it's gonna be okay.
Oh, it's gonna be okay.
I haven't been okay for a long time.
If you need help, all you have to do is ask.
You're the ones who are gonna need help when they come for you.
I think he's talking about Harry. I think.
For us.
Nice physique. Got a nice physique.
You grow slow in your old age, Sergei. A fate you will not share. I've been in your shadow for hours, but you sense nothing. Pathetic. I asked for an equal. And this is what you find.
Sir, perhaps a new hunting ground.
Light the fires. The great hunt begins.
Love it. Love it. Spoderman. Beautiful. Beautiful. You're gonna need help. Yeah, I think we do, right?
The app is busted. Pete, you seeing this? Hold on a sec, Miles. I got it. You're gonna be safe. Yeah, same here. Hey, Genki?
I know. The whole city's telecom network is down.
What's happening to the requests that are coming in?
They'll all get queued, but... Wait. I'm gonna try a workaround.
Work fast.
Right before the app went down, I saw a request for help at Liberty and Broadway.
Headed there now.
Hold up. I'm gonna stop it right here because we've been playing for 30 minutes exactly. Okay. This was my first impression. I wanted to do like the first thing. I'm getting, my words are like, my head is here and my words are there. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. No, but what I wanted to do with the Spider-Man 2 is make a first impression, and that's it. But kind of low-key want to make it a playthrough because it's bomb. Like I got goosebumps. Like I got goosebumps for like 3 times during the intro. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yes. So I'm gonna think about it. Am I gonna make it a walkthrough? Make it a first impression. The first impressions are bomb. I'm loving it. I'm loving it already. But yes, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and what you guys want me to do. Make it a walkthrough. Make it a first impression. Play the game. Make a quick review of it. Let me know, and I'll do what I'll always do. And that's making it happen. Yes. Salam alaikum ya habibis and ya habibis, and see you in the next one. Bye.